In the quiet hours between tasks, the brain quietly rehearses how small routines shape mood and focus. Researchers find that brief, intentional pauses, even 60 seconds, restructure attention networks, boosting resilience to stress. This micro-reset works by balancing dopamine and norepinephrine as the mind shifts from autopilot to deliberate choice. Across classrooms and workplaces, these tiny rewrites of daily flow predict calmer mornings and steadier afternoons. By embracing micro-resets, individuals map a science-based path to steadier mental health without large overhauls.